Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Ente, Image, and Photo Prism, and I will help you to decide which photo management tool is best in 2025. So let's start with Ente. It is a secure, end-to-end encrypted photo backup app that syncs across devices. It focuses on privacy and offers clean UI and unlimited storage with paid plans. And Image is an open-source, self-hosted Google Photos alternative focused on speed and automatic face, object, and geolocation tagging, while PhotoPrism is another self-hosted tool with rich features for AI-based tagging, facial recognition, and full metadata indexing of photos. So let's compare three of them. Number 1, privacy and hosting. Ente is cloud-based with zero-knowledge encryption, while Image and PhotoPrism require self-hosting, giving you full control over your data. Number 2, features and AI. PhotoPrism has deep AI indexing and keyword search, while Image is more modern in design and faster in indexing with great mobile support. Lastly, NTEF focuses more on backups and encryption rather than deep tagging. Number 3, user experience. Ente offers the best out-of-the-box UX with mobile-first design, while Image is clean and actively maintained, and PhotoPrism can be slower and more technical to set up. Number 4, storage and cost. Ente has free and paid tiers for cloud storage, while Emit and PhotoPrism are free, but it requires your own hosting resources. So in short, you should use Ente for secured cloud-based photo backups, and you can choose Image if you want a modern, fast, self-hosted photo management, and you can pick PhotoPrism for deep AI photo organization and archival needs. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.